Curious about shopping on Temu, but not sure if it's safe to do? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll provide some information and tips on how to shop safely on Temu. Now let's get started. Temu is an online shopping app similar to Amazon or AliExpress. It's a marketplace with items from various sellers. You can find plenty of items on their app that are the same things you'd find on other shopping sites, but at cheaper prices. This has sparked lots of discussion on whether the site is legit or not, as some of the prices seem too good to be true. With the low prices, some of the items can be hit or miss in terms of quality. However, Temu is a legitimate marketplace where you can buy anything from clothing to accessories to household items and small electronics. Temu does offer a basic purchase protection program, which allows customers to return most items if they're unsatisfied with them once they arrive. If you receive your order and aren't happy with it, you should be able to return the items and get a refund. If you do want to shop on Temu, there are a few things you can do to be safer when shopping on the app. One way to keep yourself safe on Temu is to secure your account with a strong password. When creating your account, be sure to come up with a complicated password that nobody would be able to guess. This will prevent anyone else from getting into your account. When considering purchasing something from Temu, be sure to look through reviews from other customers who have previously purchased the same product. See if people had positive things to say about the item, and check out any images other customers have shared to see if it looks like the product photos in the listing from Temu. If other customers seem satisfied with their purchase, it's more likely that you'll be happy with it as well. You can also look at reviews of the seller for the item you want to order to see if other customers have been happy with their purchases from the seller. To further protect yourself and prevent your payment information from being compromised, we'd strongly suggest paying with PayPal instead of putting your credit card or debit card information into Temu at checkout. PayPal adds an extra level of security for your purchase and ensures that your payment information is kept safe. PayPal will also help you out if you have any issues with your purchase, as they have their own buyer protection policies in place. If you don't receive your order or if the items aren't as described, PayPal's buyer protection will reimburse you for your purchase. While many things on Temu are great deals and well worth what you pay for them, we would suggest staying away from the very expensive items like appliances, computers, and furniture, for example. Clothing, accessories, and household items are generally safer options to buy from Temu and other similar sites. That wraps up our top Temu safety tips. Keep all of these tips in mind if you decide to shop on the app. If you have any other tips to offer, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. If you haven't downloaded the Temu app yet, check out this tutorial to learn how to get the app. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.